Today's cryptic crossword clue is see outspoken farmers pouring hard out. They live off the land. And I love this clue. I particularly love the definition of this clue, which is they live off the land. And the reason I love the definition of this clue is that so often in cryptic clues, we are presented with something that on the surface seems literal, and we need to reach for an idiomatic meaning of it. But this is the reverse, because if someone lives off the land, that's an idiom. It means that they draw from the fruits of the land. That's what it means to live off the land. But in this clue, we need to think about that more literally. And we'll find our answer through the wordplay, which is see outspoken farmers pouring hard out. And if farmers pours out its heart, pouring out is a deletion indicator, we delete the heart of the word farmers, an M, giving us farers, and that's preceded by see outspoken, and outspoken is a homophone indicator. We take the word see, we speak it out, and we find its sound-alike word, which can just be SEA, giving us seafarers, people who live off the land.